Hi, welcome to the cleaning habit. I'm Michelle and today I'm going to show you how to clean our baseboards. Baseboards are one of the most neglected parts of our home. We sweep, mop, and vacuum our floors, we wipe our walls, but we don't really pay much attention to our baseboards, which collect dust and dirt. The good news is, baseboards are pretty much low maintenance. We just need to clean them once a month. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos for you.
The materials we need are 1/4 cup of dish soap, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a bucket of warm water, 2 to 3 pieces of microfiber cleaning cloths, a broom or a dust mop, and a table knife or a chopstick. Loosen up the dirt with a broom. You can also use a dust mop or a duster. Make a cleaning solution combining 1 bucket of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil to polish the wood, and 1/4 cup of dish soap. Dip the cloth into the bucket. Make sure to wring it. Start wiping the baseboards. For the edges and narrow spaces of your baseboard, wrap the tip of the chopstick or a table knife with a microfiber cleaning cloth and start cleaning. You can spray stubborn spots with vinegar and wipe with a microfiber cleaning cloth. Throw away the dirty solution and replace with plain, clean water. Dip a clean cloth into the water and start wiping again. Don't forget to wipe with a dry microfiber cleaning cloth or a disposable wipe to repel dust.
Cleaning our baseboards isn't that hard, right? I hope you enjoyed our cleaning video today. For more cleaning tips, you can subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook, or visit our website at www.thecleaninghabit.com. Happy cleaning!